So hey guys, I am basically just chilling at this point. I am not doing much. I'm watching vlogs, YouTube videos. I'm basically on YouTube enjoying myself and relaxing. But the potatoes that I bought, and I need to wash them because I can't peel dirty potatoes. I find it very disgusting. So I basically prefer to clean them, wash them, dry them, and then use them or deal with them when they're clean. So let's wash some potatoes with me. This is greater. Well, there's a couple of reasons why I like washing my potatoes before I use them or before I store them. And one of them being is it's easy and comfortable to peel, because peeling potatoes when they are dusty or muddy, it can be so disgusting. I don't know how people manage that, but it's really the most uncomfortable thing in my hand. Secondly, I like to clean my potatoes because it's easy to clean after peeling. You see, once you peel your potatoes and they're dirty, your peeled potatoes, they're bound to get dirty as well. And sometimes the dirt can be so stubborn and sticks to the potato. It's just too much work cleaning after peeling dirty potatoes. And thirdly, it's easy to separate the good potatoes from the bad ones. You see, sometimes one potato could be bad or a few potatoes could be bad, and you don't know because you didn't sort them, and so they end up ruining other potatoes that could have been saved if only you had washed and sorted them out. And some of them are not that bad. You can actually separate them and cook them earlier as compared to waiting for them to actually spoil every other thing inside. Also, some recipes, this is the fourth reason, some recipes require unpeeled potatoes, but they have to be clean. They literally have to be clean. Although this is not for me at the moment, I have not tried making a recipe that involves unpeeled potatoes, but I am open to trying in the future. And if I do try, maybe I'll tell you how that goes. And lastly, it's just always good to clean anything that's coming from the market before storing them, be it potatoes, be it tomatoes, be it oranges, bananas. As long as it can be cleaned, just clean, because so many people touch these things, or it's just coming from the shamba directly. It's just too much, and it's just better for you to clean, and then you can always rinse when you want to actually use them, when maybe cooking. But just staying with dirty stuff, I don't think that's very hygienic. Well, I've given you the reasons why I love cleaning my potatoes. If you do clean yours, or you clean something else, and there's a particular reason why you do it, please do share in the comments. We'd be grateful. So why do I love potatoes so much? Potatoes are literally the most versatile of foods you could ever have in the house. Tell me one meal that cannot be accompanied by potatoes. Well, not all meals can be accompanied by most meals. Minji, potatoes. Stew ya nyama na minji, again, potatoes. Githeri, potatoes. Although githeri is not my favorite food, I really don't love maize. But for those who love githeri, you can always throw some potatoes in there. Fries, potatoes. Some people even put potatoes in pilau, like myself. Mashed potatoes are literally made out of potatoes. You can make mokimo, though I also don't love the maize part of mokimo, but it's a very delicious meal. You can make ngonjangoto. Ngonjangoto is a Kikuyu traditional meal made out of maize flour and potatoes made together, so it's like an ugali sort of. They say Nigerians have fufu, we Kikuyus have gonjango too, and I came to understand very recently that different tribes have different versions of this same meal and they use different ingredients. So if you have a different way in which gonjangoto is made, kindly do tell us in the comments and tell us from which part of the country that meal comes from. Fries are also made out of potatoes, and I love fries. I don't think I can ever come to hate fries. I've never reached that point and I don't think I will. Sometimes when I'm walking in town and I'm passing in front of a fast food or Sanford to be specific, and the aroma of fries hit me, let me tell you, it's so easy for me to get inside just to buy because of the smell. And trust me, if I'm not buying, I am going home to make some fries for myself. So that's how much I love potatoes. And not just fries, there's so many things you can make out of potatoes. Please do tell me or tell us down in the comments what other thing can be made from potatoes or can be cooked from potatoes. We would love to see that. This scoring pad has served me well for the time that I have been using it, and now its wash is ended and I appreciate it. It's time to get rid of it. I am obviously done with cleaning the potatoes. They're clean. I let them sit in the sink for a while, maybe an hour or two before I transfer them to another place, somewhere dry. Right now, I just want them to drain for just a while. Yeah. Well, I show you the bottle I got yesterday from my cousin, and I've been drinking water. I had to, so I don't know if y'all can see, but I've drunk till 3 p.m. Obviously, right now it's at 4:30. I have 30 more minutes so that I can drink for 5 p.m. And I'm doing well so far. So far, so good. I am so happy with myself. So yeah. Now they're well drained, they're dry, not completely dry, but a good dry that you can just transfer them to a different place. I love the results. These are the bad ones. They're not very bad, means they can be used, but they couldn't stay for long. So I am going to use these ones to make some fries later. Obviously, my little ginger there is also dry and clean, and it can't wait to be used. Like I said, I was gonna make some fries, and here we are. Don't they look lovely? They are so yummy, delicious, and everything, and I can't wait to start munching on them. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video up to the end, and thank you so much for supporting me. If you liked the video and you enjoyed watching this content up to the end, please tell me down in the comments and like the video, and you can also share if you think other people might enjoy this type of content. Thank you.